Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to be learning on how to create an SCMG weapon in Lyra games using Unreal Engine 5. Let's get started. At the bottom left corner, select shooter core contents, scroll down and click on the weapon file. In the weapon file folder, right click and select new folder. This creates new folder. Rename it as SMG. Double click to open it up, then you right click in the folder and select it in blueprint class. Under all classes, type and search for Lyra inventory item definition. Click and select. Rename the blueprint to ID underscore SMG. Then you double click to open it up. With class default on, under display name, type in SMG. Under fragments, click on the plus icon at the right in the 0 and select inventory fragment equipment item. Click on the plus icon again, and under index 1, click on appearance, click on arrow next to brush, click on the drop down beside none under image, type range weapon and select ID I underscore UI underscore icon underscore range weapon. Open, click on armor brush. Under image, click on the drop down beside, search for armor, scroll down and select I underscore UI underscore icon range weapon underscore shotgun ammo. Set display name when equipped below as SMG. Scroll up and click on the plus icon at fragments, arrow at index 2, and scroll down, select inventory fragment set stats. Close the drop down, click on index 2 drop down, click on equipment, click on the plus icon beside. Under elements, click on the key drop down, search and select magazine, click on magazine size, set the value unit to 32, click on plus icon, get element 1. In the drop down, under element 1, search and select magazine ammo. Set the value as 32 also. Add another element 2. Click on the drop down beside the key gameplay tag at element 2 and select spare ammo. Set the value as 64 and click on the plus icon at fragments. Under index 3, click on the drop down and select inventory fragments reticle configuration. Then click on index 3 drop down and click on reticle. Click on the plus icon to click on the drop down at index 0 and select L underscore reticle underscore pistol. Click on the drop down at index 1 and select W underscore armor underscore counter underscore pistol. Then click on compile and save. Open the L underscore default editor overview in the SMG file under weapon directory in the shooter core contents. Right click and select blueprint class. Under all classes, search for equipment and click on Lyra equipment definition, and then select rename the blueprint class as WID underscore SMG. Open it up, click on the plus icon, click on index 0 drop down. Under actor to spawn, select B underscore pistol, and then under attach socket, name it weapon underscore arrow. Click on the attach transform drop down. Set the loss value of rotation as 90.0. Click on compile and the save button to save. Go back to our L underscore default editor overview. Right click and select miscellaneous and select data assets. Search and select Lyra ability set. Rename this as ability set underscore SMG. Click and open it out. Click on the gameplay ability set. Click on index 1. Under input tag, type M underscore fire and select fire auto. Click on the plus icon on the gameplay ability set under index 1. Click on the input drop down. Type and select reload. Then click on the plus icon again to get index 3. In index 3, under ability, click on the drop down and select GA underscore weapon underscore auto reload button and save. Open the WID underscore SMG editor and click on the plus icon. Click on the ability set icon, then click on the drop down of index 0 and select ability underscore SMG. Compile and save. Open up the L underscore default editor overview. Right click and select blueprint class. Under all classes, select the GA underscore weapon fire. Rename it as GA underscore weapon fire underscore SMG. Now double click to open up the blueprint editor. It takes you to the event graph. Open the detail panel. Under the select type, click on the character fast montage drop down and select AM underscore MM underscore pistol underscore fire. Set the auto rate to 2.0. Click on the gameplay Q tag fire drop down. Click on fire. Click on the additional cost plus icon. Then under index 0, click on the drop down arrow, scroll down and select item tag stack. Expand on the index 0. Under tag, select magazine ammo. Compile and save. Open the ability set underscore SMG. Under gameplay abilities, created gameplay ability and index 0. Click on the ability drop down and select GA underscore weapon fire underscore SMG. Click on the save button and save. Open the default editor overview. Right click and select blueprint class. Under all classes, select GA underscore weapon underscore reload underscore pistol. Rename this blueprint as GA underscore weapon reload underscore SMG. Double click on it with the class default on. Open detail panel. Set the player to 2.0. Compile and save. Open the ability set underscore SMG. Under index 1, click on the ability drop down and select GA underscore weapon reload underscore SMG. Compile, click on the save button and save. Back to the default map, right click and select blueprint class. Under all classes, select B underscore weapon instance underscore piece2. Rename it as weapon instance underscore SMG underscore piece2. Click to open the blueprint editor. Open the detail panel. Then under the spread, set the value on the hit to spread curve to 4.0. Select the value in item in hit to hit per shot curve to 18.0. Set the value on hit to cooldown curve to 3.0. Now set the spread recovery countdown delay to 0.5. Compile, click on the save button and save. Open the WID underscore SMG tag. Click on the sentence type drop down under equipment and select weapon instance underscore SMG. Click on save. Then open the ID underscore SMG under index 0 and fragment. Open the Lyra drop down and select WID underscore SMG. Save. Save. Now open the L underscore default editor overview. Right click and select miscellaneous and then select data assets. Under classes, select Lyra weapon pickup. Rename it to weapon pickup data underscore SMG. Open it up. Set spawn cooldown seconds to 10 seconds. Under picked up sound, select drop down and select Lyra underscore base pickup underscore 01 SM underscore pistol. Under the equipment, click on the inventory item definition drop down. Select ID underscore SMG and open the L underscore default editor overview. Select the shooter core content in the content browser and select to open the L underscore shooter gym map. Click on one of the weapon spanner highlighted. Drag it while holding the Alt key to duplicate. Select the new spanner and in the detail panel to the right of the screen, scroll to the weapon pickup section. Under the Lyra section, click on the color light field and click on the blue color. Scroll down and click on weapon definition drop down and select weapon pickup data underscore SMG. Click on PAL and save. Select the play icon to test the weapon. Use your A, W and DF key to move your character, mouse key to shoot. So guys, this concludes the video, and if you have any concern, leave a comment below, and please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.